Hi, welcome to Level Networks. This is to guide you on what all things need to be done by field engineer after reaching branch. Before going to branch, there are a few things you need to make sure you have it to avoid delay or you may have to return back without even starting deployment. So make sure you have your laptop with Google Chrome, AnyDesk and PuTTY installed in it and screwdriver to rack and mount our device. And if you have console cable, then please do carry along. Once you reach branch, you meet branch manager or concerned person and do the basic formality by letting them know that you are there to configure and connect new SD-WAN router they received in the branch and ask them to give you package which they received which contains two devices. One is Level SD-WAN router and second is Nomus device which is serial port to RJ45 converter. Package will look like this. Get the package and go to the server room and open both boxes and share a picture as you see in your screen.
The things you need to share is serial number of both devices you received. If you turn upside down, you will see serial number on both the devices. Click picture of both the serial number and share with the NOC engineer to make sure you have right device. And same time, share us multiple picture of existing rack where NOC engineer can see and identify links connected to existing Cisco router or any other device like switch available inside rack.
One thing to remember is there are two different types of Level SD-WAN router. One is 20M which is in silver color and another is 100M which is black in color. If you received black SD-WAN level router, then that is 100M device and another device is Nomus device as below. Then please follow next slide to know how to fix rack stand into the device accordingly.
If you receive silver SD-WAN level router, then that is 20M device and another device is Nomos device as below. So please follow next slide and fix rack stand into the device accordingly. You have seen how to fix rack stand into 100M and 20M both. So make sure you fix those stands once you reach branch. If you don't do it in the beginning, then it may cause delay after configuration and it can affect downtime. So make sure you fix rack stand once you get into the server room. Make sure you power on or Lavalier Divan and Nomos device close to existing router so that there won't be any delay. Since you have to remove ISP links from existing router and connect into our device port 2, if you power on our device far from the rack, then when NOC engineer asks you to connect ISP link to the level SD-WAN, then you won't be able to connect. So to avoid delay, please make sure you power on both devices close to rack inside server room. Here you can see what all things are available inside Nomos box. Once you are ready, then now it's time to power on and connect Lavalier Divan to your laptop. Please follow the instructions to avoid delay. Once you connect your laptop with this SD-WAN router, then open your laptop and follow the instructions. Here is how you can get into network settings. Open your laptop and press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and in search bar type ncpa.cpl as you can see in your screen, and then press enter. Here in your local LAN, right click and go to properties as you see in your screen, and double click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Once done, here you have to make sure it is marked as obtain IP automatically as you can see in this image, and then press OK and then close. Now open Google Chrome and in address bar type local.cloudport.io and then press enter. If you did everything right, then you should see this page and make sure Putty is installed.
Now call NOC engineer and share AnyDesk ID. NOC engineer will verify the configuration. Once NOC engineer is done, then he will ask you to remove ISP link from existing Cisco router and connect it to our device port 2. Since you will find serial cable connected on Cisco router, you need to power on Nomos device which you received, and then remove serial cable which is connected on existing Cisco router. Connect that serial cable to Nomos device as you can see in the next video, and then take out patch cable from Nomos box and connect it from Nomos device Ethernet port to our device port 2. To avoid confusion, please make sure you watch next video carefully. Once you are done, NOC engineer will verify connectivity and he will contact IT team and add LAN and WAN route. Once routing is added, NOC engineer will ask you to remove one more cable from Cisco router which is coming from switch. Remove that cable from Cisco router and connect it to SD-WAN cloud port LAN 0 port. Engineer will verify connectivity and then he will ask you to go to users and check if applications are working. You will receive sign-off copy in advance where you can see which applications to check. So you make sure you check all the applications mentioned in checklist are working. Once users confirm all the applications are working, then you make sure you fix our wireless D-WAN router inside rack and get the picture and get sign off copy signed from branch person. Once everything is done, then send sign off picture and rack picture where it shows level SD-WAN is properly racked and mounted